If I'm an investor, how should I trade it? Should I be adding to risk positions in this environment, or is it time to maybe take some of those positions off the table and keep cash on the sidelines?
Well, it's always a good time to have investments in the market, but in terms of being on the sidelines, not a bad idea to have some of that cash to be able to deploy your money. What we've been doing, which is we've been very successful with for the past 2 weeks, is we've been enjoying the volatility. We're trading in and out of positions. We know that we're happy to be stuck long in a company like Goldman Sachs, but we can walk into Goldman Sachs and buy shares at $260. Everything seems to get better, sell at 267 and watch it come all the way back down and do that again. The same with other companies. Intel, for example. We were looking today at Amazon to go in, trade it, trade on the bad news. You want to take a look at the stocks that are best of breed globally, that nothing is going to hurt them, and you don't want to be in the weak areas. Some of the weakest areas are the real estate companies, commercial real estate, the home builders. We've seen in retail, we've seen Home Depot and Lowe's, usually a stalwart, really start to stall out for us. But if you take a look at the stocks hitting 52-week highs, you can't go wrong in best of breed. If it's in the makeup retail area, Estee Lauder keeps hitting 52-week highs. Take a look at the trends. The trend is your friend. Twitter is hitting an all 52-week high. Who thought that would happen besides Donald Trump? That's what's happening. We're seeing some of the biotech plays. They are coming to fruition because there's an emphasis on certain areas of biotech where certainly it's blockbuster new therapeutics. So that's where you want to be. IT services, certainly there are IT services for governments. That's where you want to go. Very interestingly, I want to make one point, which is that General Dynamics, one of the top defense companies in the United States, really does tanks and boats and ships and guns. Well, they made a very big push, a woman CEO who's very powerful and has stepped into the IT government contracting defense arena with close to a $10 billion acquisition. I'm looking for companies like that are positioning themselves to be able to produce alpha, so to give us underlying returns, and also income. We want income. We want to get 2%, 2.5%, and see those trends of companies that 25 years in a row continue to increase their dividend yield.